you still looking at me? Why you still looking at me?
Intermittent fasting made easy. So, you always hear about people talking about this window. So let's draw a window. I'm just gonna draw a window. Hang some curtains. You got 12 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 8 o'clock. All right, so for the most effective fast, think if you go to sleep, say, we'll just make it easy. If you go to sleep at 12 o'clock, you wake up at 8 o'clock, you've been fasting for 8 hours. So while you're sleeping counts towards your fast. So now you got 8 hours. Say 12 o'clock. Now you've been fasting you've skipped breakfast. Skip breakfast. Now you've been fasting for 12 hours. And skipping breakfast also means skipping like your morning coffee. But you can still drink black coffee. You just cannot drink the sweeteners or the creams that you're putting in your coffees. So just drink it black if you're trying to if you're trying to fast for weight loss. 12 o'clock comes around. The most effective fast is in between 12 and 16 hours. So after 12 o'clock or after a 12-hour period, however you set up your time window, you're burning the most fat. So in between 12 and 8 o'clock. Now, of course, if you fast all day, say you even skip lunch. So let's skip lunch. And then skip dinner. It's a late dinner, but and skip dinner. Now you've been fasting for 20 hours. You will burn the most fat after a 20-hour fast. You haven't eaten all day, so your body's been running on just stored fats and glycogens. Drink water while you're intermittent fasting. It'll help you curb that hunger. And remember, if you're fasting and say it's 11:50, your body doesn't know what time it is. If you're hungry before lunch, before the noon, before your, say, 12 hours of fasting, just go ahead and eat. It's not that big of a deal. It's just a work in progress. Just try to get better with it every day. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.
Why you still looking at me? Why you